coming at you from Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, at my resort. Looking at the Atlantic Ocean as far as the eye can see. Taking in the sights, just letting the day go by ever so casually. We're just now getting moving to go out and explore. Check out the resort grounds themselves. This is just a small piece of it. There's still another complete side of the resort behind me, and on the opposite side of the tower that I'm in. I'm in the North Tower at the SeaWatch Plantation Resort in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Check out the damage from Ian on that villa over there, and a few shingles missing there. Few shingles missing there, a little bit of siding missing there, a little bit of siding missing there. So yeah, they did get a little bit of damage here, mainly missing roof shingles and siding. But all in all, so far from what we've seen, which we've only been here about a day, well, not even a day yet. From what I can see here, most of the damage is minimal in comparison to what Florida experienced. Thoughts and prayers go out to people down in Florida. So yeah, we'll be probably hitting the hot tub later on this week. We're definitely going to be hitting the beach. Walking the beach for a while, just take it all in. Nice and sunny, warm day. It's about right now it's 66 degrees, and it's 11 o'clock. A little after 11 o'clock in the morning, so it's going to be a nice day today. And from what the weather prediction has, it's going to be nice pretty much the entire week. Might be a little cloudy later on this week, but today's going to be the most sunny of the week. So we're definitely going to take in a lot of sightseeing. And this is just a resort. We got a whole town to visit. So I'm going to take you through our resort here. Show you what we got going on here. Mrs. Hoosier's taking a shower. So this is the living room. There's my temporary studio here. Might do a surprise show sometime this week. Haven't decided yet, but might do a surprise show from this temporary studio. Our little kitchenette. It's actually a fully stocked kitchen. It's not a kitchenette, it's a fully stocked kitchen. We gotta go get some groceries later on today, pick up some stuff for the resort. Picked up a few things yesterday since we were at Spottersburg, North Carolina. We stopped by the Costco there to fuel up, and we picked up a few things to get us by until we can get to like a Walmart or something, which there's a couple down here, of course. Picked up some chocolate to make Mrs. Hoosier happy, make me happy too for that matter. Breakfast cereal. We picked this up at the hotel there in Asheville Sunday night. So we picked up some tea there and there, which I think this is the good stuff according to Mrs. Hoosier. So we picked up a little bit of tea, some breakfast cereal. We gotta get some milk here in a little while. She picked up this at Buc-ee's there in Lexington, Kentucky. Now the Buc-ee's in Lexington's brand new. You see, fully stocked kitchen. fully self-sustained once we get some groceries. That's what I like about vacation home setup, is because, hey, my ice is almost full, yay. Gotta have my ice for my drinks. The easy bottles, we like the bottles. We don't like the cans, but we like the bottles, and it's a limited time thing at Costco. So we picked up a couple boxes of easy drinks. There's the other one back there. Also at Buc-ee's picked up some cherry maple beef jerky. Picked up a pound of that from Buc-ee's, along with a pound of venison sausage. So we don't have a whole lot quite yet. Our caffeine, don't have a whole lot quite yet. We're going to go to the store here later to take care of that. So the resort comes, the room comes with a set washer and dryer. It is a two-bedroom resort, so it's got lots of square footage involved. Here's the second bedroom, which obviously is just she and I, so I suppose if she kicks me out, I can have another place to sleep. But we never use the second bedroom. We always get the second bedroom because it provides so much more square footage. So here's facing north. Very large RV park there, directly across from us there. This thing last night, with all the people with RVs lit up their park, their spots with lights and stuff. It's really pretty with a multitude of colors, and of course open pit fires and stuff like that. That's actually a fully contained RV resort. So if you don't want to do accommodations like this, if you have an RV, you can always do it this way. Here at Myrtle Beach, they actually have a full-fledged resort for RV people. They have an actual store right there, and over there next to the store is looks to be a swimming pool area, and arcade and snacks behind that. So yeah, RV park's pretty impressive with just the RV park alone. And of course it has oceanfront views to the ocean as well. So this is looking north, and as you can see, the further north you go, the more and more you see, probably more and more you see on the hotels all the way up to the South Carolina, North Carolina border, which is about 10 miles north of here. So that's facing north out of the resort. And of course the 2 bedrooms comes with 2 bathrooms. And here's the second, there's the master bathroom with its own view, facing the general direction as the dining room, or front room I should say. So here's the second balcony of our resort. Pretty much the same view as the first balcony. It looks like they're setting up the canteen down there at the lakeside there. Little water attraction there. So yep, that's where we're at this week. We will be here till Saturday morning and heading back home Saturday afternoon. Vacations are never long enough. We'll enjoy it as much as we can while we're here. Have a wonderful day, everyone. We will see you soon. I might do a surprise live here sometime this week. We shall see. Have a wonderful week.